Hey friends, welcome to Star Global TV YouTube channel. Let's take a quick journey through the wild world of side hustles and see how we went from mowing lawns and babysitting to driving Ubers and building billion-dollar startups from our bedrooms. So picture this, back in the day, side hustles were just odd jobs. I'm talking paper routes, yard work, maybe selling lemonade on the corner. They were something you did for pocket money, mostly to buy candy or save up for that new bike. But the thing is, even then, people had this itch to earn a little extra, to be a little more independent. Fast forward to the late 20th century, suddenly, side gigs got an upgrade. You had people freelancing, moonlighting, or selling crafts at weekend markets. The main gig still paid the bills, but that extra hustle? It was the secret sauce for vacations, hobbies, or just some peace of mind. But then, boom, the internet happened. Suddenly, anyone with a laptop and Wi-Fi could jump into eBay, Etsy, or even blogging. You could make money from a side project, no matter where you lived. I love how side hustles became less about surviving and more about thriving, testing ideas, building skills, or just expressing creativity. Enter the gig economy. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, and Fiverr turned side hustling into a global phenomenon. Now, it's not just college students or folks between jobs. Everyone from teachers to techies is in on it. Why? Flexibility, control, and honestly, in a world where job security feels, well, insecure, having a side income just makes sense. Today, side hustles are booming like never before. Remote work, passion projects, and digital platforms make it almost too easy to test ideas and reach customers. It's not just about earning extra cash anymore. It's about building something of your own. A safety net, a creative outlet, or even the foundation for your next big leap. So, why now? I think it's a mix of necessity and opportunity. The cost of living is rising, but so is access to tools, markets, and knowledge. Side hustles let you future-proof your income, meet amazing people, and unlock potential you never knew you had. If you're thinking about starting one, remember, every entrepreneur's journey starts somewhere. Your side hustle today could be your main gig tomorrow. The only question is, what will you create next? Please like, share, and subscribe to Star Global TV YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and keep hustling.